Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I will tell you about important updates. Okay, that is about MA admission and PhD admission in IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so guys, I will tell you about like MA in developmental studies related some important facts and like some important facts about PhD in humanities and social science related. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So already I have searched in Google. Okay, with this information, IIT Hyderabad. This is the page, and guys, I am telling you guys, IIT Hyderabad is very good IIT. Okay, so it is like acting like about like this IIT is doing very good. Okay, sometimes they are dominating like old IITs also. Okay, so this IIT is a very good institute. Okay, so when you will see about this IIT, like about NIRF ranking. Okay, NIRF ranking. Okay, so it is like it's ranking like 8th or ninth. Okay, so it is very in good institute. You should go there, you should apply. Okay, if you are eligible, you should apply MA in development studies. Okay, and PhD also. So I think, okay, wait for a moment, the information I want to give you. Okay, so this is the information, you can see this. Okay, so last date for your MA admission. Okay, it is extended. Okay, you can apply up to or till 14th April. So it was like up to 7th April, like it is extended. So you can apply up to 12th April. It is very good opportunity to apply. Okay, in this IIT. Okay, and listen, MA in development studies. Okay, in liberal arts department in IIT. Okay, so they are doing very good. Okay, don't worry about opportunity. You will get huge exposure, you will get many opportunities, you will get placement. Okay, and what type of placement you will get? Okay, what type of placement you want to get? Because IIT Hyderabad is a very good city. Okay, you can go there in any institute. You can go for like in academic, expert academic. Okay, you can work in the domain for development of any city, any local region. So there are so many companies in IIT Hyderabad. Okay, okay, and they will hire you. Okay, and you will get good you will get like good package also. So don't worry about like placement. Okay, so you will get many placement, you will get many opportunities when you will take admission. When you will take admission. Okay, so you will be able to explore many things. Okay, so and this type of opportunity you will not get in university. Okay, so university and IIT, so there is huge difference. You cannot imagine what is the difference between IIT and university. In university you will read only one honors paper na. So but in IIT you will be expert in four honors paper, four or five six honors paper. So think big, dream big. You should you should do well. You have knowledge, you have capability, you have efficiency. Okay, so you should explore everything in IIT. Okay, if you have any problem related financial issue, you can also overcome. Okay, in IIT also. Okay, so there are so many opportunities. You will get everything, you will get placement, don't worry about that. Okay, so this information I want to share with you. Okay, so Look, last date of application for July 2021 admission is extended till 14th April. Okay, 40 last date like 14 April, and it is same for PhD also. Look, PhD admission, okay, July 2021 is extended. So regular PhD July 2021 portal is now open. Okay, and last date, okay, last date like it will be like 14 April. Okay, so look, 14 April, okay, till 14 April you can apply, you will be able to apply. So I want to show you some more things. Okay, look, this is the admission section, and I want to show you something that is very important: placement and opportunities. And I want to show you some more important like uh, relations. Okay, so look, MOUs and collaboration. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, will be really helpful, and I want to share with you. One second. Look, these are the national relations. Okay, national MOUs. Okay, MOUs. So there are different university institute, and like some, there are some you will get some professional organization. Okay, they can hire you. Okay, and you will get many opportunities. Okay, these are some national MOUs. Okay, MOUs. And look, international MOUs, you will get huge opportunity. Look, huge opportunity. Okay, so there are several university like IIT Hyderabad already have collaboration. Okay, so IIT Hyderabad has a collaboration with many foreign university. So University of Pittsburgh, okay, Russia, Japan, Taiwan, China, France, okay, USA, UK, okay, Australia, New Zealand. There are so many country you can travel, you can go to that university, Norway. Okay, so you can go everywhere. Okay, University of Newcastle, Osaka University, whatever you want to get. Okay, so you can go everywhere. Okay, Swinburne University. Okay, this, like this University of Australia na, uh, in IIT Hyderabad and in Swinburne University of Australia has collaborated PhD program. Okay, so you can explore everything, so you should know all this. Okay, so you will get placement, don't worry about placement. I think this information will be really helpful. So always I'm trying to motivate you to apply in all IITs. Okay, whatever the like placement scenario, you should go there, you should apply, you will get placement. Okay, so you should use this opportunity. Okay, and so guys, I think this information will help you a lot. Okay, thank you, all the best, and tata bye bye from my side, and um, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.